In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts manually in HubSpot CRM. Adding a contact by hand is perfect when you meet someone at an event, receive a one-off inquiry, or want to capture a single lead without doing an import. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few tips to keep your database clean and useful. Start by signing into your HubSpot account, then head to the user guide area. This is a good jumping off point to access the CRM tools you'll use today and make sure you're in the right workspace. From there, navigate to Contacts. You'll land on your Contacts index page, which lists everyone currently in your database. Take a quick look at the columns and filters so you know what information is typically stored and how your team views it. Next, click Create New. This opens the panel for creating a new record. If you're prompted with setup options, choose I'll set up myself. That option gives you full control to enter each field right away, instead of using a template or waiting for an automated setup. Now enter the contact details. At a minimum, add the person's email address, first name, and last name. The email is especially important because HubSpot uses it to help prevent duplicate records. If you don't have an email, be sure your other details are accurate so you can reconcile later. Add any additional properties your team relies on, such as job title, phone number, and company. If you know the company's domain, include it. HubSpot can often link or create a matching company automatically. Assign a contact owner if your team uses ownership to route follow-up. Set the lifecycle stage appropriately, like subscriber, lead, or customer, so reporting stays accurate. If you collect consent or subscription preferences, record those here according to your policies. You can also add notes for context, such as where you met or what they're interested in, and associate the contact with an existing company, deal, or ticket if it's relevant. As you type, watch for any duplicate warnings. Keep formats consistent. Use complete phone numbers with country codes and standardized job titles to make segmentation and automation work better. When everything looks good, click Create. HubSpot will save the record and take you to the new contacts profile. Scan the header and key properties to confirm the details are correct. From this page, you're ready to log a call, send an email, or create a follow-up task so nothing slips through the cracks. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a contact manually in HubSpot CRM with clean data that's ready for your team to use.